In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form to a sheet in Smartsheet. Let's get started right inside your Smartsheet workspace. First, make sure you have the sheet open where you want to collect responses. This could be any existing sheet that's already set up with the columns you need, such as task names, due dates, owners, or any other type of information you want people to fill out. Having the correct sheet open is important because the form you create will be directly tied to this sheet and will add new rows based on the form submissions. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the Smartsheet window for the Forms option. It's usually located in the main toolbar above your grid view. Click on Forms. This opens a small menu related to all form options for that particular sheet. From this menu, you'll see an option to create a new form. Click on Create Form. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will automatically generate a new form based on the columns that already exist in your sheet. Each column will usually become a corresponding field on the form. For example, a text column in your sheet will appear as a text entry field on the form, and a drop-down column will appear as a drop-down choice on the form. At this point, you can start customizing the form layout, but the essential step of adding a form to your sheet is already complete. The form is now connected to that sheet, which means any responses submitted through the form will automatically populate as new rows at the bottom of your sheet. A helpful tip here is to quickly review the generated form right after you create it. Make sure the fields are in the order you want, and that the labels make sense for the people who will be filling it out. If you notice a column in the sheet that you don't want users to see on the form, you can remove or hide that field from the form without deleting the column from the sheet itself. When you're done making adjustments, you can share the form link with your team, clients, or stakeholders. They'll be able to submit information without needing direct access to the sheet, keeping your data consistent and secure while still being easy to collect. And that's all there is to it. Open your sheet, click Forms, and then click Create Form to start capturing structured data right into Smartsheet.